Hey guys, it's 12:42 a.m. It's a good time to do a little bit of math. I'm going to go ahead and take care of this question 21 of your summer packets. It's a nice one. At the moment it says bonus. I don't know. Maybe after I do it, I won't count it as a bonus. Who knows? Maybe we'll still count it as bonus. So I have this function, and it tells me that f of x is a piecewise function. So if x is less than 0, it's defined by x plus 2. If x is greater than or equal to 0, it's defined by 8x plus 2 over x plus 1. And my function g is defined by 10 over x minus 1. You have a vertical asymptote x equals 1. Not a big deal. All right, let's see what we have here. It says fine, and I have this in parentheses with a 3. Relax. All that means is it's a composite function, guys. That's all it means. So it means this. And there it is. So the first thing you got to do, your first move, is to find g of 3. So I'm going to put here first, find g of 3. So let's find g of 3. Here's my function. If there's no restrictions with my domain, obviously x equals 1 is not part of your domain. That's a vertical asymptote. I'm going to write g of 3 equals, and I'm going to go 10 over 3 minus 1. Wherever you have an x, you're going to plug in that 3 there. So 10 over 2, so I have a value of 5. And now what I'm going to do, so now this is the inverse value at 5. So remember, guys, what this means. This means that f of some value, some x value, gives me a 5 on the original. So that 5 was a y value on the original. And that's what I have. I have the original function here, f. So where would I get a 5? Well, I know at first glance you're looking at x plus 2, and you're like, well, if x is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. But notice it says here x is less than 0. So I can't have a 3 there. So then obviously I'm looking at this one here. So I'm going to look at it, and I'm going to go 8x plus 2 over x plus 1. And I'm going to equal that sucker to 5. Chop, why are you doing that? Well, remember, guys, I want the x value that gives me a y value of 5. And then once I find that, what I'm going to do is, there it is. That's going to be my answer, right? Because this was a y value on the original there. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply by x plus 1 times x plus 1. So I'm going to go times x plus 1 times x plus 1. So when you do that, you're going to get 8x plus 2 equals 5x plus 5. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move the 5x to the left, and I'm going to move the 2 to the right. So minus 5x, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 3x. Minus 2. So 5 minus 2, I'm going to have 3. So x equals 1. So there it is. So this equals 1 because when my y value was 5, the x value was 1. So I'll look for it, and there it is. All right, guys. This is not my question. It's coming from UH. It's from the UH math contest. But I put it in here because I liked it. I can't remember which exam it was. Maybe a pre-calc exam, maybe a calculus exam. Not a calc, algebra 2 exam. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you thought that was cool, or I don't know, maybe you didn't think it was cool, but you got that question out of the way. And hit me up with whatever other questions you guys have. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.